See here, the pins broke off, but this cam is seized in there. I couldn't get it to turn. You look what the valve did when it hit the piston there, there. Fit push rod.
I see that it isn't my fault, it's all your fault.
You betcha.
What's going on with this? Dad sucks. Alright, what's going on with you did that? Huh? That ain't my dad sucks. We're gonna go find an egg and his dad sucks. Come on. This is ridiculous, man. This is supposed to be a good time and supposed to be nice. Dad sucks. I'm gonna eat this. Hardy dude sucks. It's been a while. I get it. Alright, I've just been under the rock of shame, if you know what I mean. You know, been trying to do this like YouTube channel thing and stuff, and I keep ending up being the loser. Alright, my truck is slow and I'm a loser. My family thinks my truck is slow, and my family thinks I'm a loser, and I can prove it. Check this out, all right? Started out years ago. Who tacos throttle bodies, but I did it. All right, right here, I got a first place trophy. All right, first place loser. First place loser. All right, cool thing though is, all right, it's always cool being first place. It's always cool being the best. It's always cool being the record, but you got to break your records, right? So I got a personal best loser trophy that I'm about to put together, right? You know what I'm saying? You can get. I told the mechanic that was ring gap. He told me it was not. I told him JB Weld. He told me to go somewhere else. All right, but this is going to be the next trophy. All right, I get it. I get it. My truck is slow. I'm a loser. All right, I understand. All right, I live with it. I rock it. All right, it doesn't bother me too much. You know what I'm saying? You know, every man cries at night, in the middle of the night, you know, in bed and whatnot, and I'm a loser. All right, I get it. I understand, all right? Well, I told you all 392 gears was better, all right? I bet you I just triggered somebody. Oh, I triggered them bad. This is 392. 5 years ago, I made a video talking about how 392 gears was better, and dudes were triggered. All right, and then hella dudes were like, nowadays, they're like, yeah, 392 gears, whatever transmission is freaking, is rocking, all right? I was right, what's up? Triggered. All right, I get it. Your window's gonna leak. I don't care what freaking Ram truck you got. You're gonna have a puddle of water in the back. You know, triggered. My 6-speed's faster than an 8-speed truck. Triggered. I'm the number one loser out here in Las Vegas. There is no other loser other than me that is number one. You understand that? Ain't no dumbass is gonna spend that much money on a 6-speed truck. Who's going out lifting a truck? Who goes out and lifts a truck, puts a bunch of weight on it, tries to go fast? I don't know. I'm not that dumbass. Nope, I ain't him. Anyway, triggered. Just dudes looking at my face right now, they get triggered. I got a Facebook page. All right, dudes trigger me. I ban. I like to play Lord on my page. I got this, it's really weird. I got this Facebook page. It's the number one loser page. All right, all the dudes are cool and whatnot, but I'm a loser. I got this Facebook page. It just hit 23,100 members. It don't mean nothing. It doesn't do me any good or nothing, but just to go on there every once in a while and just like roll the dice and ban somebody. Anybody that triggers me, triggered. There's dudes that stalk me right after I ban them. I hate it. It's my page. Don't be triggered. It's ridiculous. I'm the lord of the page. I made the page. It was an accident, okay? I didn't think that there would even be 500 members triggered. Boom, just sometimes dudes get what they want on accident. You know, I kind of wanted something to where I could do what I want. Anyway, I'm the number one loser here out in Las Vegas. I get it. My truck is slow. I proved it. 2 trophies, family, triggered.